Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Kubernetes cluster status in GKE console, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify your Kubernetes cluster status in the Google Kubernetes Engine console, start by logging into your Google Cloud Platform account. Navigate to the Google Cloud Console by entering console.cloud.google.com in your web browser. Once on the console dashboard, locate the project drop-down menu at the top of the page. Select the project that contains the Kubernetes cluster you wish to verify. In the left-hand navigation menu, hover over the Kubernetes Engine option. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Clusters. You will now see a list of your Kubernetes clusters within the selected project. Locate the specific cluster you want to check and take note of the status column. The status column will indicate whether your cluster is running, provisioning, or experiencing issues. If the status is running, your cluster is healthy and operational. If the status indicates provisioning or repairing, the cluster is still being set up or experiencing maintenance. Click on the name of the cluster for more detailed information. In the Cluster Details page, review the Overview section for additional status indicators. Here you can find metrics such as node count, workload status, and resource usage. If there are any issues, a warning or error message will typically be displayed prominently on this page. To further diagnose problems, navigate to the Workloads tab in the Cluster Details. This area provides insights into the health of your deployed applications and pods. You can also click on the Activities tab to view recent events and changes affecting the cluster. If you want to check logs, navigate to the Logs section for specific workloads or nodes. Regularly monitoring these indicators can help you maintain a healthy Kubernetes environment. If everything checks out, you can confidently proceed with your deployments or operations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.